In this video, I'll show you how to set up Stripe for a subscription with a free trial. If you want to charge customers every month or every year, but also give them a few days to test your product before the first payment, Stripe makes this easy with subscriptions and free trial settings. First, open your web browser and go to Stripe. Log into your Stripe account and make sure your business profile is already set up. Once you're inside the Stripe dashboard, go to the Products section. This is where you create the subscription plan your customers will pay for. Click Add Product and enter the name of your product or service. For example, this could be a software subscription, membership, online course, private community, or any recurring service you want to sell. After adding the product name, create a recurring price. Choose how much you want to charge and select the billing period, such as monthly or yearly. Next, look for the free trial option inside the subscription setup. Stripe allows you to delay the first payment by adding a trial period to the subscription. For example, you can create a 7-day free trial, 14-day free trial, or 30-day free trial, depending on your offer. Stripe supports free trials for subscriptions, including trials created through checkout or the API. After setting the trial length, decide whether you want to collect the customer's payment method before the trial starts. If you collect payment details up front, Stripe can automatically charge the customer when the free trial ends. This is usually the best option if you want a smoother subscription flow and fewer manual steps later. You can also create a free trial without collecting a payment method at the start. In that case, you need to choose what happens when the trial ends if the customer has not added a payment method. Stripe lets you configure the subscription to cancel or pause if there is no payment method available. Once your product, price, and trial settings are ready, create a checkout page or payment link for your subscription. This is the page your customers will use to start the free trial. Stripe Checkout can handle the subscription sign-up, payment method collection, and trial setup in one flow. Before sharing the checkout link with real customers, test everything first. Stripe gives you test mode, where you can simulate the full sign-up process without charging a real card. Open the checkout page, start a trial, and confirm that the subscription appears correctly in your Stripe dashboard. After the test is complete, check the customer profile inside Stripe. You should see the subscription status showing as trialing during the free trial period. Once the trial ends, the subscription can move into active status if the customer has a valid payment method. You should also set up email notifications and reminders for your free trial. This helps customers know when their trial is ending and when they may be charged. Clear communication is important because it reduces confusion, refunds, disputes, and canceled subscriptions. If you're using your own website or app, make sure your backend listens to Stripe webhooks. Webhooks can notify your system when a trial starts, when a subscription becomes active, when a payment succeeds, or when a subscription is canceled. This is useful if you need to unlock or remove access automatically based on the customer's subscription status. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up Stripe for a subscription with a free trial. The main steps are simple. Create your product, add a recurring price, choose the trial period, decide whether to collect payment details up front, create your checkout link, and test the full flow before going live. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more Stripe, payments, and online business tutorials.